attention to their concerns. The Khasi National Dorbar celebrated its 100th year of existence at the Dorbar Hall, Jayau. On this day, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong felicitated the oldest General Secretary of the Dorbar, J.K. Taryang, 90 years, and released a souvenir to mark the centenary celebration. Speaking on the occasion, Tinsong narrated the history of the Khasi National Dorbar and said how a short public notice served by the Khasi Himas to every village ultimately led to the birth of the Khasi National Dorbar on September 4, 1923, to safeguard and protect the unique Khasi culture and identity. He said that this reflected the far-sightedness of our past leaders who understood the need to have a common platform to raise pertinent issues for a better future of the Khasi community.
Bahwa dia betul-betul tapi hakawede bat kadikajik terakhir kusnet ngiru naga surga ia betul-betul tapi happy betul-betul kita pair nang nisakman kadung kajik dot kau capi